हम बंजारे हैं यारो, अपना क्या ही कोई ठिकाना। जहाँ मिल जाए 2 गज ज़मीन, वहीं बना लेते हैं आशियाना। Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. As you must have guessed from the shairi, today we are going to Banjara market. In this video, I'll try to explore the market as well as know these Banjaras. So come along. It was Saturday morning, 10 am, when we reached. This market was slowly waking up. Men were having casual conversations. Young girls were setting up the shop. Younger lot of the family were managing shops. Woman of the house probably cooking breakfast. This cow was slowly making way for all the customers. And this market, it felt new. That's the beauty of this market. It always feels new and fresh. This market keeps on upgrading all its collection. As I started walking, literally stopping at every shop. When things are this beautiful, you do get distracted.
As I'm coming for the very first time,
This lady happily shared her perception of this market.
I think it's been, I guess, half an hour. और अभी तक तो एक्सप्लोर ही कर रही हूँ, अभी तक कुछ लिया भी नहीं है, बट मैंने वीडियोज़ में बहुत देखा है, यूट्यूब में बहुत देखा है, तो बिल्कुल वैसा ही है और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे। अभी मैं बार्गेन करने की कोशिश भी कर रही हूँ और ये वाली लेन में मैं देख रही हूँ वहाँ पे ज़्यादा यूनिक है, वहाँ पे तो फिर भी बहुत कॉमन है, जो फ्रंट होता जो लेन है वहाँ फिर भी कॉमन है। Ceramic, planters.
Did you also notice sparkle in her eyes while she was mentioning ceramics and planters? While looking at these unique owl planters, I think it is totally justified.
You can see many different types of designs here at the same place.
This man is absolutely right. Where do you find these beautiful wooden carvings? These metal plant holders, these partition walls, trays, wooden frames. This market literally had something for everyone.
For these places, the stuff here are cheaper. What have you experienced?
I don't think so. Like it depends on you. Like how can you buy it?
We also found out that prices in this market is highly dependent on your bargaining skills. Though this market keeps on changing, only constant thing that is relationship between Banjaras and these customers. In the end, I entered this furniture shop. Wanted to know whether they also make these furniture.
ये सारे कहाँ से आप खुद बनाते हैं या फिर कहीं से लेके आते हैं?
In our conversation, I just found out that these people belong to Rajasthan. And all these furnitures they get from Jaipur and Jaisalmer, and ceramics from Khurja. These furnitures are majorly factory rejects and export rejects. Social media has helped this market a lot in getting discovered.
बस बच्चे का गुजारा चल जाता है, इसीलिए चलता है। कोई हम लाते छोटा मोटा कहीं बाहर से तो फुटपाथ पे बेच लेते हैं।
And in these years, it has grown 10 times.
हमारे मार्केट तो सही कह रही है। तो पहले वाली मार्केट है ना,
हाँ।
सारी इकट्ठी अंदर ही आ गई।
अब सारी इधर ही है।
हाँ।
ये मेन मार्केट बन गई है ना? तो ये मेन मार्केट अंदर।
But we also found out a different side to social media. The perception created that things here are dirt cheap is not entirely true. On exploring deeper, I just found out that it's not just a market.
सब परिवार आ गए 200 तो चाचा मामा ताता पापा सब आ गए
It is their entire community. They live here, the children go to nearby schools, they grow their trees here. Guava, mango, chili and whatnot.
मिर्च है,
मिर्च भी लगी है,
जामुन है, आम है,
लगा दी।
आम भी है
आम कहाँ पे?
और अपनी तरफ लग नहीं रहे अभी।
On asking them what are their expectations out of the city and administration, this is what they had to say.
इनका बसाओ कुछ, इनको परमानेंट बसवा दो, ऐसे बोलो कुछ। कहीं भी सरकारी जगह हो वहाँ पर हमारा एक ही मार्केट जमनी चाहिए,
मार्केट होनी चाहिए, एक गांव होना चाहिए और कोई खतरा नहीं है।
ये उनका
कमेटी से खतरा है और किसी से खतरा नहीं है।
थोड़ी देते हैं।
They have lived here, grown here, but in fear that they do not belong here. And one day they'll be asked to leave. But now they do want to belong to the city. I hope you like this introduction documentary sort of video on Banjara Market. This place is definitely worth a visit. Do come here with your bargaining skills, but not expectations. If you wish to visit this market in future, I'm leaving the Google location of this market in description box. So do check it out. And also, if you wish to support me, you can do that by liking this video, sharing this video and subscribing to my channel Social Experiments. See you next week with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.